is a automatic transmission with a electric sheet PTO. We got two sprayers, left and right in the front. We got a side sprayer, and we got your two rear sprayers, and then we have your gravity bar air actuated valve switch. Up, open, down, close. We'll show that in the next video working. And this one, basically, in order to have system running, you just basically open up any of the sprayers you want to spray from, turn on your PTO pump switch, and then just give it throttle, whichever sprayer you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and just do the front. And that's how you work any of the sprayers while being in neutral. You go to drive or mobile, we're gonna arrow down to first gear. That's how we're gonna do the system, or in the next video, that's how we're gonna do our next video, which is basically number one gear or first gear or low gear. Just keep it on that low range on it. This one does have the safety valve in the back. When the system starts over feeling the pressure, valve will open up. You start seeing small drips in the back, and you'll start pouring it back into the tank, just for any safety purposes, that they'll forget to turn off pump with the switches off. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate this in the next video.